Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we'll be checking out some special TWS Bluetooth speakers. So the unique thing about them is these are truly wireless stereo speakers that come with some custom 3D embossed artwork design and are made by this brand called as Beatmonk. So this is a package the company has sent us. And oh, looks like we've got 2 units over there. Let's just unbox and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and tear this out of packaging. There we go. So here are the 2 boxes that we'll be checking out today. The name of these Bluetooth speakers is called as Streak 100. As I've told you just now, they're TWS Bluetooth speakers. That means we get 2 speakers in each of the boxes. The packaging looks quite funky. Let me give you all a closer look. Nice, I like the artwork they've used on the box. And we even have a picture of the product over here. At the top we've got the Beatmonk branding and has their tagline Streak with Rhythm. Let's see what else is written on the box. We've got the Beatmonk branding everywhere on the box, and on the other side we've got some details regarding the contents of the package. We'll check them out once we get started with the unboxing. And going to the back side, we've got the highlights of the product over here. Let me show you. They're truly wireless stereo speakers, are quite compact and portable, offer a long battery life, have a premium design with 3D embossed artwork, and offer superior quality sound. That's it guys, those are all the details of the product. And this is how the other box looks like. It's pretty much the same, only the artwork and the design is a bit different. So let's finally unbox it and see what do we have on the inside. On opening it, we've got some accessory box at the top with the Beatmonk branding. And what's this? Why do we have a SIM card ejection tool? I've got no idea. Must be for resetting the speaker, we'll see about that. And look at this, we've got a lot of stuff over here. We've got some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read that. 2 USB cables for charging both the speakers independently, 2 fancy lanyards of high quality. Wow, I really like the quality. Even the lanyard has some unique artwork on the top. A thank you note and a discount coupon for your next order. And finally guys, here are the speakers, the Beatmonk Streak 100. Oh my god, these are so tiny and compact. Feels like 2 small cubes in the hand, and just look at that artwork. The Beatmonk Streak 100 speakers come with high quality 3D embossed funky designs on the front which do not fade with time or even with usage. Okay, we'll just come back to these speakers in a moment. First, let me also unbox the other package and show you what do we have over there. So here they are, these were all the items we got in the package. These are the other 2 Streak 100 TWS speakers they've sent us. They've got a different artwork on them and look quite nice. Alright then, now let's talk about the design and the build quality. As I've told you earlier, each of these speakers come with a high quality 3D embossed funky design on the front. You've got a lot of options to choose from, you can just check out their website for that. The build quality is good, the body is entirely made of plastic but has a soft rubberized matte finishing all over it. And they're also quite lightweight in the hand, each of them just weighs only around like 70 grams. Going to the back, we've got the brand logo and some info regarding the speaker. There's a power button above that, a micro USB port for charging, a status LED indicator, and you see this hole over here? This is where you need to attach that lanyard. That's it, there's nothing else on the speaker. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's power them on, pair them with my phone, and check out the audio quality. Alright guys, I'm back. I've connected both the speakers together in TWS mode. Pairing them together is very simple. You just need to double press the power button on both of them and that's it, they'll automatically get connected. Now let's play some music and check out the audio quality. The audio quality was pretty good considering the size. They're Bluetooth V4.2 TWS speakers and have a frequency response range from 90Hz to 15 kHz. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals had a nice warm feel in them, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. The best thing about them is, since you get two separate stereo speakers, when you place them far apart on the left and the right sides, you get a much better stereo experience, especially while watching movies on a laptop or even on a phone. The treble quality was also decent. And talking about the bass was there, but it was not that punchy. But again guys, you can't expect to get punchy bass from such tiny compact form factor. It was doing a good job considering the size and also the price of the product. The distortion was minimum up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And coming to the audio output, the output was also loud and satisfying. Both the speakers combined were producing around 3 watts of output. Everything was nice, but the only thing I felt the speaker was missing was a microphone. Yep, there is no mic on these Bluetooth speakers. I don't know why the company didn't include that. Now let me tell you about the battery life. Each of these TWS speakers comes with a built-in 400 mAh battery and offer a continuous working time of around 3.5 to 4 hours at 75% volume level. That means if you use them separately, you'll get a total battery life of around 7 to 8 hours. Well, that was my review on the Beatmonk Streak 100 TWS Bluetooth speakers. I love the 3D embossed funky artworks on them, the build quality is decent, offers true stereo experience, and the audio quality is also nice. But as I've told you earlier, there is no microphone on this speaker, and also felt the price of the product could have been lower. Usually they cost around 1840 rupees, but right now they're having a special Diwali sale and are offering up to 25% off from 19th to 25th of this month. That means you'll get them only for around like 1360 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.